NIFT recently published their Social Media Policy 2020, and a few points mentioned in said policy do not sit well with me. As stated, any content maligning NIFT, its policies and employees will be viewed adversely, inviting disciplinary action and entirely or penalties, debarment from sitting the examination. Campus placement CTC. Now the real question comes here. What is the exact meaning of any content maligning NIFT? It comes across as an awfully vague and subjective phrase. Are we to assume that any qualm and any point we raise may be construed as malignant? In this age where social media activism is often a huge forum for awareness and raising issues, sending out a policy which basically threatens severe disciplinary action such as debarment from exams, campus placements, penalties etc. in case a student dares to vocalize an issue pertaining to the university feels outright draconian. Social media policies cannot limit free speech. It is very crucial that we understand this. If a social media policy uses language that restricts individuals from using social media for speaking against a university, company on a public forum, it can be viewed as a direct violation of Article 19(1)(a) of Indian Constitution, which states that all citizens have the right to freedom of speech and expression. We ought to seek clarification on said social media policy. We must fight at all costs to ensure that our right to free speech is not snatched away from us under our very noses.
The issue started in the last week of July. We received a circular appealing us to pay the fees before 7th September. We mailed the higher authorities that it's not possible for some of us to pay such a huge amount during this pandemic situation. The mails were sent from all over the centers of NIFT, but they never gave us a reply.
NIFT expect us to pay for services and commodities that we are not even using right now. I mean, हम उनकी लाइब्रेरी यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं. We don't use their machines, we don't use their softwares, we don't use their computers, we don't use their internet. मेरे मम्मी और पापा की सैलरी आधी हो गई है यार, और कंडीशन इतनी खराब है that now we have to switch to a lower quality of price just so they can make ends meet. And during this difficult phase, the college only seem to care about their profit and money making.
We have highlighted how we're facing economic issues and how we're failing to make ends meet. We have situations where there are people who have a single parent who have no source of income.
Before this even came out, the fee structure came out, there were many conversations and many calls and discussions and mails. LO, अगर fees नहीं देनी तुम्हें तो, and she also told us it's not on us that you guys can't come. हमारे building खुली है, we are coming, the staff is coming, so it's not on us. So we resorted to social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and also other media platforms.
NIFT released a social media policy which threatens severe disciplinary action such as debarment from exams and placements, suspension and even expulsion if students were found to be maligning the institution or any of its policies on social media. Now this policy directly curbs our freedom of speech, as the Supreme Court has clearly stated in the case of Shreya Singhal versus Union of India that clauses in social media policies that limit free speech are unconstitutional. However, this policy is doing its job in stopping many students from protesting or voicing their fears online.
We were supposed to start our online classes from 3rd of August, but as they are not listening to us, we decided to boycott the classes so that they at least give a reply to us.
Since the commencement of the boycott, many campuses have actually unofficially threatened students with disciplinary action if the boycott is a means of protest.
We have very politely sent all our CCs, directors and higher authorities mails regarding the fee reduction and the new modified fee structure. We just want a fee structure that will be suitable for all the students from all over the 16 campuses during this pandemic. And as soon as this criteria is fulfilled, we will automatically resume with our classes.